watching Breaking Ground. I'm Swati Joshi, wishing all the viewers of Times Now a happy Holi. Let's get you the latest. Now, there were several apprehensions about how the overlap between Holi and Friday prayers would pan out in UP Sambhal, and there were several in the opposition trying to sow seeds of suspicion and division. But today, the visuals emerging from Sambhal are only of happiness and revelry, of celebrations and communal harmony. On one side, there are holy processions that are underway. On the other, the Muslims can be seen queuing for Jummah Namaz.
होली के पावन पर्व पर पूरे प्रदेश वासियों को बहुत बहुत बधाइयां शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। होली रंगों का त्योहार है, प्रेम और सौहार्द का त्योहार है और पूरे प्रदेश में धूमधाम के साथ हर्षोल्लास के साथ मनाया जा रहा है। इस बार कोई चुनौती है कि कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। रमजान का पवित्र महीना चल रहा है, सब लोग मिलजुल करके मना रहे हैं और लखनऊ की वैसे भी गंगा जमुनी तहजीब है। चौक इलाके से अभी विशाल जुलूस निकलेगा, सभी धर्मों के लोग उसमें प्रतिभाग करते हैं।
All right, we have Pradeep Datta joining us in the broadcast with more details. Pradeep, and I can see colors on your face, so you're also enjoying Holi there. How is the atmosphere? Are people celebrating Holi the way they wanted to without any fear?
Yes, you're absolutely right. In fact, the administration was able to generate confidence among people, and for the first time that Holi was without any fear. And that's one of the reasons that you can say that each and every person, including me, has been drenched in joy and excitement here while the Holi was being celebrated. Right now, the people are with us, and you can see कैसा माहौल रहा आज। पूरी तरह से प्रोसेशन बड़ी अच्छी तरह हो गया बिना किसी डर की।
सर, मेरी 38 साल की उम्र है और पहली बार ऐसी होली हुई है संभल के अंदर। रमजान के महीनों में जो क्या कहते हैं जुम्मा पड़ा है, उससे पहली बार डीएम सर और एसपी सर के बदौलत पहली बार होली ऐसी हुई।
So you can see the people are quite happy because the procession is over. Let me speak to the superintendent of the police, Mr. K.K. Bishnoi, also here, because they have also heaved a sigh of relief. It was a very tense moment for them. Last 48 hours had been very tense for them because they almost had been on toes. How happy you are feeling that finally the procession is over. Now it's going to be namaz at 2:30. So how relaxed you feel?
Well, all 64 processions which were supposed to take place today, they have reached their final destination, and the remaining police officers and the policemen, they are moving towards the 2:30, the schedule for the Jummah ki namaz, and after that they will also go home, and everybody is happy, everybody is elated. We can go and talk to public in general. The mood is very joyous, and I'm very happy that the force has done a good job today.
How bad you feel because you are putting in so much efforts. Even the government is trying to do its level best to ensure that Holi and Namaz would have been without any untoward incident. Despite that, some political party leader, whether it's Akhilesh Yadav, whether it's Mehbooba Mufti sitting in Kashmir, trying to politicize things. How bad you feel as a man in uniform?
It is my job to create an atmosphere where everybody plays the festivals in most joyous manner, and it happened the same in Sambhal today, and I believe that politicization of any nature shouldn't be done. But however, we live in a democracy. Everybody is entitled to their opinions. My job is to ensure that the peace and tranquility prevails in Sambhal, and it has prevailed so far. Thank you.
That is a strong message from an officer in uniform. See, my job is to ensure peace and tranquility, and
absolutely.
they have succeeded in
and this fulfillment of duty and responsibility has given people the confidence to step out and celebrate their festival. Not just celebrate the festival of Holi, but also offer Jummah Namaz. Because as we speak, Pradeep, we're getting the latest visuals of people moving towards Jama Masjid to offer Friday prayers, Jummah Namaz, and this is the second Jummah Namaz during the month of Ramzan. So, Pradeep, what we also know is that the timing was changed a bit to accommodate the Holi procession, and live visuals now coming in, everything happening peacefully.
There was a consent, there was a consultation, there was a consensus, because they had several peace meetings. Very same place here at Kotwali, where right now I'm standing. There were several peace meetings where they interacted with the leaders from both the communities, and it was only after that they decided to adjust Friday prayer. I've got a district magistrate also with me. Let me speak to him. Sir, how good you are feeling that finally everything has gone well and it had been peaceful, processions had almost reached their destination, and now Friday prayers are to be held at 2:30.
पुलिस और प्रशासन की ओर से बहुत दिनों से प्रयास भी किया जा रहा है, परिश्रम भी किया जा रहा है, और इसके साथ साथ सबके साथ समन्वय बना करके दोनों उत्सव अच्छे से संपन्न हो, इसका प्रयास किया जा रहा था। तो आज जो रंगोत्सव है वो शांति के साथ, कुशलता के साथ संपन्न हुआ। सबने बहुत आनंद लिया और सब बधाई भी दे रहे हैं कि बहुत अच्छे से चीज़ें संपन्न हुई और इसके बाद जो नमाज है वो भी कुशलता के साथ संपन्न होगी।
काफी बड़ा चैलेंज था, काफी बड़ा टास्क था आपके लिए।
एक जब घटना हुई उसके बाद चुनौतियां थोड़ी अधिक हो गई थी, किंतु यहाँ के लोग उन्होंने साथ दिया। दोनों हाथ हमारे कहते हैं कि जब दोनों हाथ उठा करके किसी चीज़ का प्रण लिया जाता है तो पूरा होता है। तो लोगों ने बैठक के अंदर भी, शांति समिति की बैठक में, दोनों हाथों को ऊपर उठा के कहा कि हम पूरी तरह से प्रशासन का सहयोग देंगे और ये उसका परिणाम है कि आज सब कुछ आसानी से और सरलता के साथ शांति से संपन्न हुआ।
यानी आपको लगता है हिंदू और मुसलमानों ने करारा जवाब दिया उन सियासतदानों को जो सियासत कर रहे थे, सियासत की होली खेलना चाहते थे?
देखिए, जमीनी स्तर पे जो लोग हैं वो चाहते हैं कि उनके व्यापार चले, उनके काम धंधे चलते रहें, किसी प्रकार का कोई समस्या नहीं हो। इसलिए जो लोग हैं वो हमेशा समन्वय और सौहार्द के साथ आगे बढ़ना चाहते थे और जिन्होंने ये किया वो आज बिल्कुल शांति के साथ इसे होता हुआ देख रहे हैं। और हमने पहले ही कहा था कि यदि कोई बदमाशी करेगा या किसी भी प्रकार का कोई भी खलल डालने का प्रयास करेगा तो फिर उसको हम छोड़ेंगे नहीं किसी भी कीमत पर।
There was a very clear-cut message because that is what actually Yogi Adityanath government believes in. Zero tolerance towards any kind of anti-social or anti-national activity, and it's because of these men in uniform and administration that finally that Holi was celebrated without fear.
Absolutely.
And they're
Pradeep,
saying,
while the officials, of course, are doing their job and they are alert, it's the cooperation that they've received from people from both communities that has made it possible today for Hindus to celebrate Holi and for Muslims to offer their Jummah namaz. In fact, like the officer just told you, जब दो हाथ मिलते हैं, दो कम्युनिटीज ने हाथ मिलाएं तो एकता का, यूनिटी का सिंबल बनता है. That's exactly what is being witnessed there. Now let's talk about the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, the man who predicted this, that everything will happen peacefully and that his team will ensure that there's no disruption. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath also was seen soaking in the fervor. He was seen playing Holi, and while doing so, Yogi emphasized on the message of unity and integrity. At the same time, taking a jibe at opposition.
और ये आपने देखा होगा जो लोग सनातन धर्म को कोसते थे, उन्होंने सनातन धर्म की भी और भारत की सामर्थ्य भी प्रयागराज महाकुंभ के माध्यम से देखी। 66 करोड़ से अधिक श्रद्धालु एक साथ त्रिवेणी के महासंगम में आकर के महास्नान का पुण्य का भागीदार बना है। कोई क्षेत्र का भेद, न कोई वर्ण संप्रदाय का भेद, दुनिया इसे इस अकाल्पनिक घटना को देख करके भौचक थी। कौन लोग हैं वे बांटने का काम कर रहे हैं? ये वही लोग हैं जिन्होंने अयोध्या में राम मंदिर का विरोध किया।
And not just in Sambhal, across the country, the Festival of Colours has remained untainted by any signs of confrontation. The faithful have defied the naysayers who had been predicting doom and gloom, pinning the blame on BJP for communalizing the atmosphere.
देखिए, ये पूरे मुल्क के अंदर जो माहौल ख़राब हो रहा है, पहले होली ऐसे एक अच्छा दिन मनाया जाता था जब हिंदू मुसलमान मिलके इसको मनाते थे, जैसे ईद को मनाते हैं। तो अब कहीं ना कहीं जो खासकर जो वहाँ के जो यूपी के चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं, उन्होंने बहुत ही ज़्यादा माहौल को ख़राब कर रखा है। एक हिसाब से मुसलमानों को जो जिस तरह से उनके साथ जो तरीक़ेकार इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है, ये बहुत गलत है। और ये मुझे लगता है गंगा जमुना तहजीब, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही है कि ये मुल्क जो हंसता बसता खेलता इकट्ठे मिलते थे हिंदू मुसलमान, ये कैसा जहर फैला रहे हैं ये लोग। तो इसका नतीजा बहुत गलत हो गया। आपको याद होगा एक बार पाकिस्तान में ज़ियाउल हक साहब ने इसी किस्म का मजहबी माहौल वहाँ खड़ा किया कि अभी तक उनको संभल नहीं पाता है पाकिस्तान। तो यहाँ भी इसी किस्म का जहर बो रहे हैं लोगों की ज़िंदगियों में, हिंदू मुस्लिम करके। इसके नतीजे भी जो नताइज जो हैं मुल्क के लिए आने वाले वक्त में बहुत ख़राब होंगे। तो मैं अल्लाह ताला से दुआ करूँगी इनको अक्ल आ जाए और इस तरह से ये हिंदू मुस्लिम को आपस में लड़ाए ना। होली बड़ा अच्छा त्यौहार है जिसको सब लोग पसंद करते हैं, एंजॉय करते हैं, और मुसलमानों का जुम्मा की नमाज है। तो आप अपनी होली खेलिए, उनको अपनी नमाज पढ़ने दीजिए। तो मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं बीजेपी के लीडरशिप की कोशिश है कि कहीं ये जो है पॉट सिमरिंग होना चाहिए, चलता रहे, आग सुलगती रहे और आपस में हिंदू मुसलमान लड़ते रहे, ताकि जो यूपी की जो हालात है नौकरियों को लेके, बेरोजगारी को लेके, तरक्की को लेके, लोगों के पास खाने के लाले पड़े हुए हैं तो खाने को दे नहीं सकते हो, तो इसलिए चलो मुसलमानों के ऊपर जुल्म करो, उसी पे लोगों को खुश करते हैं और क्या।
The policies pursued by BJP, RSS combined do polarize the people. India is a country with tremendous diversities. We have multiple languages, we have multiple religions, but people should live in harmony. There should be fraternity among the people. But the BJP RSS combine is destroying this principle of harmony. In Sambal, why Sambal should become such an horrific issue leading to conflicts and violence?
Now, the BJP has cited these celebrations and images, calling out the fear-mongering lobby. The Saffron Party says that people have answered those who are trying to instill unfounded fears and appeasement.
एक तरफ रमजान की और ईद की सेवई होगी, एक तरफ होली की गुजिया होगी। ये गुजिया और सेवई को ये मिलने नहीं देना चाहते विपक्ष के लोग, इसलिए इस प्रकार की टिप्पणियां करते हैं। मैं समझता हूं कि इसका कोई इसका आशय नहीं है।
Well, the Tushtikarana gang, the politicians who did not let the Hindus in Sambal celebrate Holi peacefully and fearlessly in the last 70 years, have an issue that Hindus in Sambal for the first time fearlessly are celebrating Holi. This is the victory of Sanatan Bharat, where Hindus and Muslims both fearlessly can celebrate their own festivals. I believe those who are opposing the celebration of Holi in Sambal are the ones who are against the true secular fabric of the country.
All right, so you heard the reactions that are coming in. On one side, you have these visuals of people celebrating Holi, and on the other hand, you have visuals of people moving towards the Jama Masjid to offer their Friday prayers. And this is the kind of unity that the BJP is citing to call out fear-mongering. We have more reactions.
होली और जुमे का कोई आपस में तुलना करने की बात ही नहीं है। कुछ लोगों ने कर दिया है। जुमा कोई साल भर में एक बार तो आता नहीं, आई थिंक 50 से ज्यादा बार आता है, 52 बार आता है। होली साल में एक बार आती है और बहुत बड़ा त्योहार है, तो जिसको जुम्मा मनाना है।
We have with us the Defense Minister of the country, Rajnath Singh. Sir, thank you so much टाइम्स नाउ से बात करने के लिए। दिवाली के उत्सव पर देश को सर क्या संदेश देना चाहिए?
इस होली के उत्सव के अवसर पर समस्त देशवासियों को मेरी हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में देश तेजी के साथ आगे बढ़ रहा है, लोगों के अंदर आत्मविश्वास पैदा हुआ है।
सर, एक बहुत बात चल रही थी कि रमजान और साथ पड़ रहा था, लेकिन अब देखा कि रमजान और होली साथ पड़ रही थी, हम देख रहे थे कि कुछ दिक्कत नहीं हुई है। कैसे लगता है जब सब
कोई व्यवधान नहीं पैदा होने पाएगा। लंबे समय से सारी कौमें इस हिंदुस्तान की साथ रह रही हैं और परस्पर भाईचारे के आधार पर ही यह त्योहार मरेगा, ऐसा मेरा पक्का विश्वास है।
बहुत ही आनंद आ रहा है अपने क्षेत्र में अपनों के बीच परिवार के साथ आज यहाँ होली का महोत्सव मना रहा हूँ। ये चुनाव के बाद मेरा पहला होली के अवसर पर अपने सभी यार दोस्त साथी कार्यकर्ताओं के साथ मिलकर होली मनाने का मुझे सौभाग्य मिला है। उत्तर मुंबई को उत्तम मुंबई बनाने के लिए जो ढेर सारे योजनाओं पर काम चल रहा है, मैं भगवान से, ईश्वर से यही प्रार्थना करूंगा कि उसमें मुझे सफलता मिले। आज मेरे लिए वो दिन है और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है ये होली एक टर्निंग पॉइंट रहेगी मुंबई महाराष्ट्र के विकास के लिए।
Pradeep Dutta continues to be with us on the broadcast. Pradeep, that was Piyush Goyal saying ये होली एक turning point रहेगी, and looks like that has come true in Sambal.
No doubt about that. In fact, the Sambal residents had sent a message of peace, communal harmony and brotherhood. And you can see here, right now I'm outside Jama Masjid and people in large numbers, they are coming here to offer prayers because they adjusted their time. They never wanted the timing of namaz should overlap with holy procession. That's one of the reasons that they decided to adjust. And all this happened because of consensus. It was because of the consultation and it was because of the consent. And the Muslim community members, they showed that there should be complete peace, and they gave a befitting reply to all those people who were trying to politicize the atmosphere. They decided to have namaz time at about 2:30 so that it's not going to overlap, because they wanted that both the communities should celebrate this year Ramzan as well as Holi with zeal and fervor. And they have set an example. No doubt about the Piyush Goyal rightly said. That's what it's all about, idea of India. Because when we talk about idea of India, it means coexistence of different faiths. And here you can see the smilingly, they're coming towards the mosque, they'll be offering prayers and they'll be sending the message of brotherhood. There were people who were trying to divide society. They were trying to widen fault line between two communities because they were trying to add the color of politics in this holy celebration. But I think both Muslim community and Hindu community, they've given them a perfect reply and a very strong response to them. Right now I'm here at Jama Masjid. Look at these visuals. The Muslims in large number, they're coming here to offer prayer. At 2:30, the namaz will finally be starting. Normally it is about 1:30, but this time the Muslim community decided that they are going to adjust, they are going to alter timing. It will be at 2:30 so that the holy procession can move from this area. There will be no problem. There was a consensus. They wanted that the wall of this mosque need to be covered with tarpaulin. From the other side where the holy procession was to cross, we've seen that how they covered it with polythene so that the wall of the mosque are not smeared with color, because they took care of the sensitivity of the other faith also, and they also took care of the sensitivity of Hindu faith. And that's the best thing, a best example. कैसा लग रहा है आज आपको जिस तरीके से होली मनाया गया और आप लोगों ने अपने मस्जिद में नमाज का टाइम जो 2:30 बजे कर दिया, एक बड़े दिल का मुजाहरा किया कम्युनिटी ने।
बहुत बढ़िया।
आपको लगता है भाईचारा ऐसे ही होना चाहिए जो बड़े दिल का मुजाहरा किया गया है?
जी ऐसे।
You can hear that Bade Dil Ka Muzahara, the big heart that has been shown by the Muslim community today. And that is what exactly is required. But there are some people, they want to politicize whole issue because for the vested political interest, they will never ever allow people to stay together. And here, administration had also taken care of the situation because for the last 48 hours, they were almost on tour. Reason is obvious because on November 24th, a very place, we saw that how there was a stone pelting. After that, there was a rioting also. Some people opened fire because of which 4 precious lives were lost. And since then, administration had taken certain measures. 79 people have been arrested and some people are said to be absconding. And since then, there had been efforts to ensure normalization of atmosphere. And here you can see how peacefully the Muslim community members, Hindu community members, they celebrated this occasion. And rightly said by district magistrate, he said that जब दो हाथ मिलते हैं, तो obviously there is going to be peace, because when two hands come together, it is like saying namaste. Two hands coming together, it's all about peace. Two hands coming together, it's all about coexistence. And that is the example that has been set by the people here in this region. आज कैसा लग रहा है आपको जिस तरीके से भाईचारे के साथ मनाया?
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया। होली भी बढ़िया हुई है, इंशाल्लाह ईद की नमाज बढ़िया होगी।
बड़े दिल का मुजाहरा जो मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी ने भी किया आज अपना।
जी, सब लोगों ने सहयोग किया, सब लोगों ने अच्छी तरीके से कोऑपरेट किया और इंशाल्लाह शांतिपूर्ण तरीके से नमाज हो जाएगी, अदा हो जाएगी। कोई इसमें कोई परेशानी किसी सबब को नहीं है।
शांतिपूर्ण नमाज हो जाएगी, परेशानी की कोई वजह नहीं है। That is actually what each and every person coming out to this place is saying, and that is what actually India is all about. India means coexistence of different faith. Unanimous Roma submit किए जहाँ से अब तक मगर है बाकी नामो निशान हमारा। कुछ बात है कि हस्ती, कुछ बात क्या? कुछ बात है कि हस्ती मिट्टी ने हमारी सदियों रहा है दुश्मन दौरे जहां हमारा, सदियों दुश्मन रहा है दौरे जहां हमारा। Why India has continue to exist, it is because of this coexistence, yakjayati, that is existing here, and the right example that has been set by the people here in Sambal area. Once again, the people had set an example for many others to follow, and a strong prophetic response to all those people who were trying to play politics over the issue. It was the very same place where some people tried to instigate atmosphere while the survey was being conducted inside the mosque. Some people came out to the street, they started pelting stone, and after that we saw there was a rioting, there was a firing, 4 precious lives were lost, and since then we have seen the crackdown against all those anti-social and anti-national elements. 79 people have been arrested, some of them are said to be absconding, and for the last few days efforts were on to ensure that there is a peace meeting where they wanted that religious leader from both the communities to sit on one talking table, and there is a consensus, and finally there was a consensus, there was a consent, and after the consultation, and they decided that yes, the wall of the mosque, all those 10 mosques that fall on the procession route need to be covered with tarpaulin, that need to be covered with polythene sheets so that the walls do not get smeared with color. Not only that, they also wanted that the namaz time need to be changed. And finally, Muslim community decided that they are going to change now, adjust namaz timing, and namaz will start at about 2:30. The procession is already over, so it is not going to overlap. And here you can see, happily they are coming over to this place, offering prayers, and definitely they are going to offer prayers for peace and tranquility. They want that brotherhood that had been existing here for years together, that brotherhood should exist. Nobody is able to snap those ties between the two communities that had been there for ages. कैसा लग रहा है आज आपको ये जो भाईचारे का मुजाहरा आज दोनों कम्युनिटी?
बहुत अच्छा हमारे भाइयों की होली भी हो गया, हम अपनी नमाज के लिए भी आ गए। बहुत ही बढ़िया, जवाब ही नहीं है।
दोनों ने आज हाथ मिला के बता दिया कि
बहुत बढ़िया,
दुश्मन सक्सेसफुल नहीं होगा।
हाँ,
जो सियासतदान सियासत कर रहे थे उनको भी जवाब दे दिया।
जी जी जी, बहुत ही बढ़िया हुआ, बहुत ही अच्छा हुआ।
और देखिए how they are saying the बहुत ही बढ़िया हो गया, everything is fine. That is actually the message that is being sent by the people here. And you can see there are a group of volunteers also. They are standing here. They are not allowing anybody from outside to come out to this place. They are trying to ensure that no instigator is here. People are here, and you can see all smile on their faces, and the smile on their faces narrates the whole story. That smile indicates that yes, all is well, that ends well, because everything is ended so well. There had been holy procession. Now there is prayers being offered here, and here right now you can see people in large number turning up towards Jama Masjid Mosque. There will be offering prayers at 2:30. The prayers are going to start, and finally after half an hour the prayers will be complete, and definitely they are going to pray that they will pray for the strong India, they will pray for peaceful India, they will pray for the peaceful atmosphere. They want the communal harmony, brotherhood and tranquility to exist. They do not want any force to create trouble here in this area. That's what actually the people are gathered here for. And when we talk about Holi, and you can see everybody's face is smeared with color because nobody can be recognized. No caste, no creed, no color, no religion. And that is what actually the colors
So the holy procession in Sambal is over, and time now for Jumme ki namaz. And the big thing is that everything has happened peacefully. Pradeep, we'll connect with you again. For the moment, a quick break.